Good morning, student. Welcome back. As you know, on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I didn't took class due to some reason, and today I am taking class. And today I am going to explain. I am going to explain that simplest form of the fraction. Simplest form of the fraction. Simplest form of the fraction, it means the fraction is given and you have to change the simplest form. It means you have to change in the lowest form. So you can see this is 20 by 15. How you can change 20 by 15 in the lowest form, simplest form? There are two rules. By first rules, as you can say, by SCF. By SCF. It means you can do like that, SCF of 20 and 15. SCF of 20 and 15. So SCF of 20 and 15 means you can find that such number which can divide 20 and 50 both equally. As you can see, so it will be 5. How? How it is 5? So you can find out SCF of 20 and 15. Then you can get SCF of 20 and 15 is 5. So by 5 you can divide like that, 20 divided by 5 also, and 15 also divide by 5. After that 5 4 ja 20 and 5 3 ja 50. 4 by 3. So 20 by 15 means 4 by 3. So now 20 by 15 has been changed in the simplest form as 4 by 3. In this way you can change as finding out the HCF of numerator and denominator. After that finding HCF, from the HCF you can divide numerator also and you can divide denominator also, both from the HCF. After dividing you can get like that, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 3 ja 50, like that 4 by 3. So 20 by 15 has been changed in 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 is the answer and it is the lowest form. After that, second method, as by the direct method, as cancelling or removing common factor. You can say cancelling or removing common factor. Cancelling or removing common factor. Common factor. By this method you can do directly like that, 20 by 15. It means by 5 it is divisible both, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 3 ja 15. So 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 it is done. Suppose to next example you can take by this both method. Next example you can take. Now you can take 14 upon 49. You can see SCF of 14 and 49. SCF of 14 and 49. So by 7 both are divisible, is equal to 7. You can see 14 divided by 7 and 49 also divided by 7. So from SCF you can divide both. After then 7 2 ja 14 2 and 7 7 ja 49. So if you change in the lowest form or simplest form, 14 by 49 So it comes 2 by 7. By second method, either cancelling or removing the common factors, like that also you can do 14 by 49, 7 2 ja 14 and 7 7 ja 49. So 2 by 7. 2 by 7 answer. So same way 2 by 7 here by SCF also, and by cancelling the common factors, as using cancelling or removing the common factors, by common factors also you can do. By 7 14 also can be divided, and by 7 49 also can be divided. So by 7 you can use and you can cancel, and by cancellation method also you can do any method. After that, exercise. Now self practice 5D. Self practice 5D. You can see self practice 5D. In this way, self practice 5D, first question, examine whether the following fractions are in their simplest form or not. So firstly, you can see as that these are in the simplest form or not. If you have in numerator also prime number, denominator also prime number, or one is prime or one is even number, one is odd number, one is even number, in this way also fractions can be called as in the lowest form. But you can see here 18 is not prime number, and 18 by 27. First question A, you see 18 by 27 is given in the lowest term, lowest form or not. So you can see 18 is also the multiple of 3, 27 is also the multiple of 3, and 18 also is the multiple of 9, and 27 is also the multiple of 9. So in this way you can see SCF of 18 and 27. You can take SCF method. By SCF method also you can solve. You can take SCF of 18 and 27. After that it will come 9. 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. So 9 will come. So in this way you can do 18 divided by 9 and also 27 divided by 9. It means 18 by 27 is not in the lowest term. You can change in the lowest term. So examine whether the following fractions are in the simplest form or not. So it is not in the simplest form. So it is not asking that. It is not asking that you can find the simplest form. Only it is asking that 18 by 27 is in the simplest form or not. So you can write here only. You don't solve. You can write here only. It is not in the simplest form. It is not in the simplest form. Simplest form. Because both has the common factor more than 1. Because numerator and denominator has common factor more than 1. Because both numerator means 18, numerator and denominator have common factor more than 1. More than 1. So it is not in the simplest form. If any fraction has common factor more than 1, so more than 1 means that is 1 is common factor of all numbers. After 1, another number like the 3, 4, 5, 9, any other number also comes the common factor of for the both means numerator and denominator. So in this case, that fraction is not called in the simplest form. So you can see 18 and 27 has common factor 3 also, has common factor 9 also, has common factor 1 also. So 1, 3, 9, 3 common factors are there as 18 and 27. So this is not in the simplest form. Like that you can do B, first B 11 by 19. You can see 11 by 19. 11 is also prime number, 19 is also prime number. If both numerator and denominators are prime numbers, so it is not in the lowest, so it is called in the lowest form. If both are prime numbers, numerator also prime numbers, denominator are prime numbers, so it means both are in the lowest form, because the common factor of 11 and 19 is only 1. So in this case, this is in simplest form. So you can write also it is in simplest form. In this way you can do C, you can do D yourself. So C and D you do yourself. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, you see, reduce each fraction to its simplest form. Means you have to reduce, you have to turn in the simplest form or lowest form. Like that, A given 6 by 10. By common factor, by common cancellation, you can do like that. 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. So 3 by 5. Question number B, 21 by 30. You can see 3 7s are 21, 3 7s are 21, and 3 10s are 30. So 7 by 10. You can see 7 is prime number, 10 is even number. So both are different. So it has only one common factor. So 7 by 10, it is the lowest term of the 21 by 30. Like that cancellation method you can do. Question number C, 8 by 100. I am using cancellation method. You can also use cancellation method or HCF method. So you can take common factor of 8 and 10, 8 and 100 both. By 2 it is divisible. 2 4 is 8 and 2 50 is 100. Again 2 2 is 4, 2 25 is 50. After that 2 by 25. You can see 2 is even number and the smallest prime number also, and 25 is odd number, but it is not prime number. So 1 is prime number. So it is in the lowest form now. Like that you can do D, E, F, G, H, I also. You can see H and I. Question number H, it is also very easy. 248 by 279. You can see, you can take the divisibility rule. By 248 is divisible because one's place is 8. But here in 279, one's place is 9. So it is not divisible by 2 both. So you can try by 3. You can add the number 8 4 14 and 14 and 2 16. So by 3 also it is not divisible. You can try by the other number. But you can see this is the even number and this is the odd number. Prime number like that 279. So it is already in the lowest form. It is already in the lowest form. I, question number I. You can see question number I, 572 by 1012. So you can see both one's place is even number. So you can divide by 2. 2 2 is 4. 1 is 17. 2 is 16. 1 2 6 is 12. By 2 2 5 is 10. 0 2 6 is 12. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 3 is 6. Again by 2. 2 2 is 4. 1 2 5 is 10. And 2 3 is 6. So now it is 143 by 253. So it is now in the lowest term. Like that you can do. After that, another questions you can solve yourself. It is also there. In the above questions, it is more convenient to find the SCF by division method and then divide both numerator and numerator by SCF. So you can do by SCF method also, no matter. I have done by cancellation method, no matter. One question I can divide, I can do by the SCF method also. Question number I you can see. Question number I am doing another method as SCF method. By SCF method also you can do. You are free. But in examination, if it is asking SCF method, so you can do only by SCF method. So see, I again I am solving by SCF method. 572 by 1012. So now SCF of, because number is big, so by division method you can find out SCF. 572 and 1012. 1012. After that, you see, you put 1012 as dividend and 572 as divisor. 1 ja 572, 1 ja 572. 2 minus 2 0, 11 minus 7 4, 9 minus 5 4, 440. After that, now 440 is divisor and 572 is dividend. 440 1 ja 440. 2 is 7 minus 4 3 and 5 minus 4 1. 132 out 440 as dividend. 132 if you are using 2 jar. So 132 2 jar, 2 2 jar 4, 2 3 jar 6, 2 1 jar 2, 264. 3 jar you can use 132. Three two jar 6, 3 3 jar 9, and 3 1 jar 3. 396. So 132, 3 jar 396. After then you can subtract 10 minus 6 4 and 10 minus 6 4 and 3. 13 minus 9 4 also. And here 3 minus 3 0. So like that, after that you can do 44 outside and 132 inside. So 44 outside, 132 inside. After that, by 44 you can do 3 times. So you can see 44 3 is 132. Now you have 44 as a SCF. Now add 44 as the SCF. So it means SCF is equal to 44. SCF of 572 and 1012, both SCF is 44. After then, by 44, by division method, now you have to find out SCF of 572 and 1012. After the finding SCF as by 44 at last, it is divisible. So 44, the last number which is divisible will be SCF. It means by 44, both are divisible commonly. After then, you can use like that. After getting SCF, you can do like that. Now you have SCF of 572 and 1012 is equal to 44. After then, you can divide 572 by 44 also and 1040 by 44 also. You can divide 572 by 44. You can see 44 1 ja 44, 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 1, 13 here 2. Again after by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 4 ja 12, 1, 13. So 13 will come. If you divide 572 by 44, 13 will come. After then 1014, you can also divide 1014 by 44. 44 2 ja 88, 11 minus 8, 3, 9 minus 8, 1 and 4. Here 1012, not 14, 1012 here. 1012, here also 1012. So after then 2 here. After then by 3, 3 4 ja 12, 2, 1 carry, 3 4 ja 12 and 1, 13. So you can see by 44, 1012 is also divisible because 44 is the SCF of the number. So it is 23, coming 23. It means 44, 23 ja 112, 1012. It is now 23. So if you are changing 572 by 1012 by SCF method also, so it will take time. But no matter if in the exam it is asking for SCF method only, you use to find out the simplest form. So you can use only SCF method. If it is not asking, so you can do any method, cancellation method also. So by SCF method it is big, but by cancellation method it is very easy. So what is convenient, you can do. After that finding out SCF, you can divide by the SCF the numerator also, like that. 572 divided by 44 and 1012 divided by 44. So if you are dividing, you can get 13 by 23. It is answer and it is now in the lowest term. By this way, you can do this question. After then, tomorrow I will explain types of fractions and you can study at home also. It is very simple. Page number 97 is given and today you complete the self-practice 5 days. Okay, thank you.